how to find Instagram mutual friends. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can find Instagram mutual friends quickly on Instagram, because there are times when we want to see if the person that we're following also follows another person. So to find that out, you guys can just simply open up Instagram, and then from over here click on the search bar, and then click on the search bar once again and type in the name of the person that you want to see if you have mutuals with. So once you click on that particular person's profile, you guys are going to see their profile, and you guys will also see a followed by text over here. So this followed by text is going to show you if you have any mutual contacts with this person or not. So right now I can see that I have one person, which is Roman Heather, with this particular person. But if this was someone else, for example someone that I am not following, well, then I would not be able to see these mutuals. So again, I have mutuals with this person, so I can see him over here, but this person I don't have any mutuals with, so I cannot see any text over here which says followed by. So that is how you guys can simply find out if you have any mutuals with the person or not. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.